Okay, so we're going to begin lessons to prepare us to find something called the median. The is called the centroid, the orthocenter, and the circumcenter. But before we do that, we have to define some terms. So let's get some definitions. So we're going to go to circle. So I'm in GeoGebra, regular calculator, and I move the axis down a little to the left. If you hold the pad down and move one finger, you can move it. If you hold the pad down and move two fingers, it's a zoom. But I just want to move the axis down here. In the upper left-hand side, there's that circle square. Let's click on that. And let's get some definitions first. So the first thing we're going to do is media. The first thing we're going to type is the word median. Well, a median is a segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. See what that is. Okay, up there. So let's go back up to the top. Let's get 3 points. Okay. Back to move. What I want to do is then let's scroll down to line segments. Let's connect these. B to C and C to A. And we want to draw the median. So it's a segment drawn. So let's draw it from A to the midpoint of BC. The opposite side of A is BC. Well, let's construct. Let me move my face out of the way. Let me see. Hold on a second. Move. Let me move my face out of. Whoops. Let me move my face out of the way. Let's go back here. So we're looking for the midpoint. So click on midpoint, and it says, let's go. Collect 2 points, a segment or a circle. Nice, we have the midpoint. Now let's go back to, right here at lines, and let's draw A to D, and that is known as the median. Nice. Next definition. The next definition, let's scroll to the top, somewhere near the top, media, text. The next thing I'm going to talk about is an altitude. So let's see, an altitude is a segment drawn from a vertex which is perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay, let's get another triangle in here. So, I'm sorry, let's get some points. And then let's connect them with segments. E to F. Whoops, let's undo that. I didn't mean to do that. Let's go F to G. And then G all the way to E. Nice. Now we want to draw a segment that's perpendicular. Whoops, sorry about that. We want it perpendicular. We're passing through F, but perpendicular to EG. And now we can actually do that. A perpendicular line. If we go to construct, perpendicular line, is select point and the perpendicular line to be perpendicular. We want through F, and we want it to go through. Nice. Now, so this segment, nice. So this is, once again, so that's the line. The actual altitude, well, you know what? Let's go back to move. Let's highlight this. Let's find intersection. Intersect. I want this line and the segment, and I found H. And so we can say that FH. Let's make another line. Let's see. Let's construct on the segment. F. E. Good. That's N. And then, maybe we can hide that perpendicular line. Let's see if we can hide something. Oh, here we go. The label. Well, Oh, here we go. Show hide object. So let's click that. Let's click on this line. Nice. So F8 is our altitude. Okay, let's continue. Oh, nice. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Let's see. Let's move everything up. Whoops. Now let's put the third thing. The last thing we're looking for is the perpendicular bisector. Well, let's see. Let's get 3 points. Let's create the segments. I, J, K. Oh, K, and K. Now, what did we say we wanted to do? We are looking for, let's see, let's put it right here. We're looking for the perpendicular, perpendicular bisector, which is any segment or line drawn, which is perpendicular and passes through the midpoint. Okay, and so the idea, let's move this over. So the idea is let's draw the perpendicular bisector of IK. So we have an option for perpendicular bisector. And so we see that not only is it perpendicular, it passes through its midpoint. If we found that we can go back to well, let's change it right here. Let's click on midpoint and we can see that it's the midpoint of K. So we have 3 things: the median, the altitude, and the perpendicular bisector.